Billy, what the fuck do you want? Billy, do you have dementia? You have to find this little end. Alright, I'm gonna get that present. So what's the game? Oh, and here turn into balloons. Said Billy, your book will be very handy. Said Billy gave you a book? Yes, and it is all about my friends. Well then. Okay, so what is my goal? E-section. Simple. Billy, have you ever noticed you have a gummy flashlight in your inventory? What gummy flashlight? Look in your inventory, you idiot. Oh, wow. Also, it's still daylight. Why are you using your flashlight? Shut up, you bully. Oh, look, it's again. This was a graphic by Simon. We didn't turn in the balloons because that is where Billy tried to find the gummy guitar. Easy, Sir River. I am the biggest pro. Okay, so this book says this next room is a 35. Okay, Billy, we get the point. Now shut up. No, you 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 shut up. This is the only thing I will be here in this room. And I am leaving. No, you shut up. 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 You shut up. And let's figure out if you think you are a baby. No, you're 5 years old. Fine. My screen. Oh no, I am gonna die. You stupid and you hurt me. Oh my god. Oh. I do not want to die. Easy. Very complicated. Are you doing this challenge again? Yes. Okay, I guess I have nothing to do, so I will play with Gibby again. Please, Gibby. Are you a nice person? You missed that spot? Oh, it is the paperwork. Yo, how did you know how to do that? Cause I am a pro. Now you just read the comments. Oh no, another alert. None alert. None alert. Never done is back. Wow, this is Charles. Very the red fire was created in agony. Billy, I am gonna make the next fire. Billy, you leaving too? Now I am making sure you don't cheat the challenge. Oh no, this gun is hurting me. Oh, nice, that made me die. Okay, I will, and then I will beat this game. What makes you confident that you will win? Because yes. Billy, you are back. How did it go? Billy was being a me. What why? She was really mean and unfair. I am the one that's supposed to be mean. Well, Billy should learn a lesson. Purple Billy, I don't know what that means. How are you still friends? I just thought she was really nice. Well, she's not. Tell her to say sorry. Gibby ain't doing shit. She meant have friends to back her up. Gibby have friends. Who are they? Willie, Johnny, Early, and Willie. Interesting. Yo. Red, we can not miss out.
Hey guys.
Who are you? Oh no, it's Gibby. Gibby, how did you get here?
Because yes.
Gibby, you guys, where you get out?
Purple boy, shut up, you look like you brush with kids' toothpaste 10 times a day. I heard you are doing a challenge.
But it already had told up, Billy, shut up. We might get some info.
So I want to make a bet. You beat the game, I give you $5,000. You lose, and I stay here until everyone gives me $3,000.
Alright, Billy, says deal. Red, no.
Alright, deal.
Hey, Billy, I have an idea. What if you really win the current game? Good idea. I will pick all the tail of the room because it is easy and they twist it a lot. Alright, here we are. What the fuck is that? Is it coming? Let's figure you want some booty. Boom. Oh no, it's better again. At least it is not as annoying as no. It's so annoying when he gangs upon you with a 200 and 183. Oh, MP is metal, I think it is. Yo, happy man, it's so good to see you. Red. Oh, that's another game. You listen to that homophobic? No, because I never liked him to begin with. 50 billion bucks on my 5 million net. Where did we already? Just like very brave. Now the good is something we don't know. Red, why is my screen green? Yo, what happened to Jimmy being mean?
I'm not mean. You are.
Correct. But Purple Billy said you are mean.
Purple boy, you are wrong.
What no, it's not.
You have no proof.
You literally called me a loser when we played Sweatbattles. I was there too. You were indeed being mean to Purple Billy.
No, I was not, you idiot.
See? You just called me an idiot.
Because he was.
With being such a hypocrite, Gibby.
Oh my gosh, I am not why or so stupid.
Looking for a game being a mean bell.
Purple boy, I will use your ass to wipe my floor.
Okay, Gibby, you are taking this too far. I am taking that way to make you my poison.
Why not? Too busy being a loud cribbity.
If you take that back,
I ain't doing shit.
then I will make you take that back. Bully Billy, get her out. What's the money?
Oh bro, I am not leaving. You too scared to kick me from the group call? You cry into your pillow every night. You got rejected by your girlfriend?
So you're always good, so you're always good, 1770.